Once you've learnt how to do uncertainties, make sure you have them in your table. Let's say for a thermometer we have the temperature here. So we need to write plus or minus in this way with the brackets, just so it's nice and concise. So we go to insert symbol, and we should have a plus or minus in there. It's probably a little big. Plus or minus just there. Alright, so we can insert that. And then the reading for that, if it's going up in increments of 1, would be plus or minus 0.5. So the key thing here, notice how that looks very clear and concise, is that now everything should also have one decimal place, because the uncertainty should always look the same as the uncertainty. So make sure your data has the 0.0 in there, because there's a point decimal place here. Okay, same thing for the mass. Just for argument's sake, let's go and make this plus or minus 0.5. So we'll just insert a plus or minus and make it 0.5. Now that's on something quite strange there, so I'll just get that looking normal. Alright, so the plus or minus 0.5, that doesn't look very good there. I would like to put it underneath, so I'll press left, alt, enter, and I might just have to expand that out now, just to make that look, it's up to you, probably looks better the other way. But if that's the case, your data all has problems here now, because if you were really reading increments of 0.5, you shouldn't have values of 0.2. So there's an obvious error there. Another problem is also that people say that they might be reading in plus or minus, say, 0.05s. That's another thing that I often see. But obviously from here what they've been reading is in 0.1s, because I only have readings that are 0.1s. So it can't be 0.05. Same with the 0.5. If you're really reading in 0.5s, I should only have 0.0s and 0.5s here in these decimal places. So I can just tell from the data that the actual reading was actually 0.1, and so I'll change it to 0.1. But if it really was 0.5, you'd have to question how they got it that accurate, and whether that was really that accurate. Maybe they need to round up or down.